Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig water a flower. Let's start drawing. Let's start drawing Peppa's eyes. Then her nose. Okay, now I draw the shape of her head. After that, I draw her smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. And I finish her head with her ears on top of her head. Now I draw her body, 2 hands, and 2 legs. She is wearing boots, and she is standing in a muddy puddle. Now I draw a watering can in her hand. There are some drops of water coming out of it. Super! Let's draw a beautiful flower. Okay. Now I draw a wooden box for the flower. Great job! Now I am going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I am going to use pink for Peppa's skin. Then I use this beautiful red marker for her clothes. Then I color her boots mustard yellow. And her cheek light purple. Okay, now I use light brown for the muddy puddle. Now let's color the wooden flower box with different shades of brown. Great! Now I'm going to color our flower. I use different shades of green for the stem and leaves. I use yellow for the middle of the flower and some fuchsia for the petals. Amazing! I'll color the water in the can aqua blue, and for the can, I'm going to use orange. Good job! I color the ground light green to look like grass. And I use some light blue for the sky. Yippee! Wow, it looks so colorful! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!